So in this video, I am going to show you how to change out this little plate right here. I've heard it called a driven plate or friction ring or different things, but anyways, it's what you need to go. So if you can't go up a hill, or if it's screeching or something like that, then you probably need to get this replaced. So this kind of scared me a little bit when I looked at it, because whenever I try to turn it, well, those are loose already, but whenever I try to turn it, you'll notice that this thing right here will just turn and it won't stop. So you're wondering, how in the world am I supposed to take this thing off? And at first I thought I had to take this bolt right here off, this bolt, but you don't have to do that. So don't take that bolt off. You have to take these 4 off around it, but you have to get this thing to stop. So how are you going to get this to stop? That's what I'm going to show you. What you're going to need is you'll need a 1/2 inch socket for these right here, for these bolts right here, these 4. You need a 1/2 inch socket, and then a 15/16 inch socket for this. So, and what you're going to want is something hard to rest it on, like this right here. So it's on this wood right here. It's not going to move. It's jammed and it's not going to move. The rest of them, I already loosened all the rest of them just to kind of speed everything up. Put it on loose and let's break it. There we go. All right, so it's broken. Now everything else, I'll take this off. And I just kind of put these back on here. So you take these 4 off, do that process for the whole thing. You'll have a little plate, have this little ring right here, and then you have your actual part that you need to replace. So like I said, I already got the part for it. The first time they gave me the wrong part. So there's 2 different models. They make the one with the ring, the little inner lining, and one without. This right here, you can tell the ring is, the lining is in there, but at first it was fused, and we couldn't tell that. So they gave me the wrong part. So make sure they give you the right part at the store, so you don't end up having to go back to the mower shop like I did. So this is the replacement part, 7600135YP, and this is from Briggs & Stratton. This is the original. So it should fit on there. I'll take it out. Alright, that's it. That's what it looks like. And as you can see, it has like a little lining in it. And I think they sell them on Amazon, and it has a lining that you may have to cut it or something. I saw in some videos. So anyways, we're going to put this back on here. Put this back on. Little trick: if you take the part off and then go to the lawnmower shop, leave your nuts right here on the studs so you don't lose them. So not a big deal, but just a little trick my dad taught me growing up. It's forever been useful. Make sure you put that plate so that it goes on the outside. Alright, and tighten these. Alright, now I'm going to get this, but instead of going this way, this time I'm going to lock it and come up here so that it locks. Alright, I'm going to drop the phone just for a second so I can get everything ready. I'm going to have to use 2 hands for this next part just because this doesn't hold up. So there you have it. And you can use a little trick. You can just use this right here to rotate this to where you need it, to position it where you need it. So that's it. We'll crank it up and hopefully it'll run right. This is her. Just took her for a spin and she worked great. So it was a good fix.